Hey y'all, how are ya? Welcome to Passionately Intrigued Arts and More with Tracy. I'm gonna try something out with these flowers that I had extra resin, and these are the dried flowers, some carnations, and I don't know what that is. I forgot. I don't know, but that's a zinnia. I don't know which ones I'm gonna use, but I dipped them in resin after they dried and just let them. I stuck them in the styrofoam and let them drip until they dried. And I think maybe this might help with not having so many bubbles in the resin when you put these flowers into the resin. I'm just going to try it and see what it comes out to be. So I'm using my square silicone mold from the Dollar Tree, y'all. Yes. So if you're inexperienced or even experienced or would like to try out resin, this is a great deal. You get two of these for $3. It's not a dollar, but you cannot beat that at $1.25 a piece. The other one is smaller. Can't go wrong. Cannot go wrong. So let's see. Let's see. So I'm going to pour resin into this, maybe quarter filled, 1/4 filled. Oh, I forgot to get napkins. Paper towels. I gotta get some paper towels. Let me set that here in case it drips. I always use something on your table, silicone, in case you drip resin, and it will come right off. Anything else, you're gonna have a problem in a situation. So I like this one. I like them all, but I like this one. So I'm gonna have to cut it because the resin dripped and it's on there. So let's cut it. And I'm going to dip it, bring it up and down. I'm going to coat it real good and then just sit it in there. Now this isn't going to hold many. So let's do this purple zinnia. Cut that off. I'm going to dip it in this one. Dip it all the way. Now I'll place it in there. See if I can get them both positioned. Okay, and then you see the stem is over the top of this. It's okay. After I pour the resin and it cures, I can cut that stem off. Now it would be crowded if I put anything else. So just for experimental, you know what? I want to put these little buds. How about that? Let's put a bud. Let's see what that looks like. And if not, I can stick it back in the styrofoam. It doesn't look right. It's hard to tell until this is cured what it's going to look like. Let me dip it in here and stick it right there on the side. It's going to float. Maybe I'll lean it over this way. It keeps floating up higher. Let's see. Let's put it on this side. And it's going to float. Experimenting. Okay, if I sit it like that, it stays straight up and down. So that's one. I've got one more little bud on here. Let's take that out. And it has a short stem, so it might just float. I don't know. Let's put it on the other side. Let's put it over here somewhere. Let's see if it'll stay down there. All right, now I'm going to top it off. Top it off, and this one floats. So I'm not going to use that. Hold on. This one's floating too, and it's laying on its side. So we're going to take that out. Set it here for now. Now these are lightweight and they're floating as well. So what I could do, let's see. Put a couple toothpicks. Or Let's do, these are bigger. Let's do the popsicle sticks and kind of smush the stems together so they stand upright. How about that? Okay. I'm going to top it off, pour resin all the way to the top of this, mold. And they're constantly floating. Oh boy. They're coming higher and higher. So what I'm going to do is heat my glue gun up, push them down into the resin, and glue them to the popsicle sticks. Where there's a will, there's a way. Yeah, they keep rising. All right. Let me heat up that. See, they've come all the way to the top. I don't want them all the way to the top. I want them down in that resin. Let me heat up my glue gun and see if we can solve this problem. Hope you can see. I was way up there. Way up there. Fine time to put the camera down. Hope that helps. So, can you see that? They float. They're up at the top. Be right back. Let me stick this back into the styrofoam so it can dry. And this little one, let's stick that back in the styrofoam. Okay, be back in a few. Didn't know it, my camera shut off, so I don't know what you saw and what you didn't see. I took the hot glue and glued the sticks together, holding on to the stem. And then I glued underneath the popsicle stick onto the mold to hold those in place. Didn't realize the camera cut off, and why, I don't know. So anywho, I'm going to try and get these glue webs off. That's another tip, y'all. I have on 2 pair of gloves, so when you get done with one, you have on another pair already. And I just want to pull these webs off. I don't want them in the resin. Hopefully none got in there. I'm going to hit it with alcohol to get out any little surface bubbles. We're going to let that cure, come back when it's cured, and unmold it. So in the meantime, I'm going to show you the smaller of the 2 square molds from the Dollar Tree. I have placed a Christmas spider in here that Sammy Joe gave me. The top coat, I did a little bit of blue resin pigment, just a tiny bit. So let's unmold this while we're waiting. And the resin kind of went over the lip, so it might be a little difficult to get to this mold, to get into it. Oh boy. But these are really neat for $3. 2 for $3. $1.50 each, if you want to look at it that way. But I let the resin is all the way around the lip. I let it overflow. Didn't mean to. So I'm trying to get up under here so I can start this mold, start to peel it back. Okay, we're going to get in there with a toothpick. Hot dog. It's tight. Okay, wow. Oh, it's tight. Just peel it back. It's a little stiff. Come on. Come on. Ooh, it's stiff. Let me see if I can get this side lifted. If I can get this lifted, okay, then I can roll. Once you get all sides lifted, then you can roll it off. Roll it off. Peel it off. Ta-da! So this is the small. So you get these 2. Great deal. Alrighty. It's got bubbles in there. Oh, I put sparkle. I put some iridescent powder in there. So that's what that is. I just wanted to try this mold. The light is not good. Let's see. I don't know. That doesn't help too much either. I don't know. The light on or off. So I just have to cut this lip off that overflowed and just sand it down. little paperweight, anything, just to sit it and look at it. Conversation piece, I don't know. I didn't know what to put in there, so I threw that in there. I'll probably give it to Mimi. Alrighty, y'all, we'll be back. We will be back when that is cured. All right, let's see what's going on here. I think I'm gonna need a pair of scissors to cut these sticks off, and let's reveal. See if this one is as stiff as the other one. I'm sure. Oh boy. This is the most difficult part. This is a good mold. It's actually pretty thick and stiff, but it just makes for difficulty in getting it unmolded. Okay. If you can get it going on all sides, then you can roll it down. But you have to get it going on all sides in order to do that. Oh gosh. Challenge. Let's see. Oh my goodness. I'm fighting. I'll be back. Okay, I gotta roll down on all four sides. Let's see if I can roll it out. Oh goodness. There we go. And roll. And roll. We're getting there, y'all. All my life I had to fight. It's coming. Jeez, oh Pete. Okay, these Dollar Tree molds are great. They're good. They're good quality. But you gotta fight a little bit in the end to get it out. And it could be because I've had this in here for so long. It has been curing for weeks until I got back to it. Okay, I got her out. Jeez, and it's the same nice shape. Okay, wow. Okay, so here she is. It's pretty, nice and clear. Not too bad. And I'm not noticing a lot of bubbles, just some little fine bubbles in here. I see fine bubbles. But there it is, preserve some flowers, and this is whatever you want it to be. It's just beautiful to me. And so I'll sand these down. This is the ends where the stems were. And I can just get my Dremel and sand that down a little bit. Get those points off of there. But ta-da! And here's the other one. I sanded around the edge. Took that lip off. Put that spider in there. Christmas spider. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you. Thumbs up. Check out Dollar Tree for resin products. You won't go wrong. Especially for beginners. You will not go wrong. Thank you so much. We'll see you soon. Peace and hugs. Toodles.